Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Python channel. We are starting a series of short videos on learning PySpark. This is a completely original course and our take on learning this topic. We will be analyzing real-life cases that are used in companies and often come up in interviews. This is the first video, and we will not be writing any code at all. Our goal is to understand the basics: what Apache Spark is, what problems it solves, and why no large data team can do without it today. Throughout the course, we will focus primarily on practical knowledge. The course is designed for those who have never worked with Spark, may know Python, but have not worked with big data. Let's start with a very simple question. Why did Spark appear in the first place? Imagine that you have a small file, for example, 10,000 lines. You open Pandas, and everything works quickly. Now imagine 2 terabytes of logs, billions of user events, several years of bank transactions, mobile game data. And here's the problem. One computer cannot read this data quickly, process it, perform complex aggregations, and even if it can, it will take hours or even days. Spark solves these problems with a very simple idea. Apache Spark is a framework for processing big data that allows you to perform calculations not on a single computer, but on many machines simultaneously. Spark takes a large file, breaks it into pieces, distributes it among different machines, processes it in parallel, and collects the results back. This is called distributed computing. Spark is used almost everywhere. Banks use it to analyze transactions and risks. Gaming companies use it to analyze player behavior. Marketing uses it to analyze user events. Data engineering teams use it to build ETL pipelines. If you plan to work with big data, Spark is almost guaranteed to be in the stack. PySpark is a Python API for Apache Spark. That is, Spark is written in Scala, but we can work with it through Python. And that means we can use familiar Python syntax, SQL-like operations, data frame API. In fact, PySpark is a tool that allows you to work with big data as conveniently as Pandas, but on a cluster. Spark is not a replacement for Pandas. It is a tool for a different scale. Pandas, one computer, memory limitations. Small and medium-sized datasets. Spark, many machines, big data, production et al. Spark has 3 main components. The first is driver. Driver is the brain of the program. It takes your code, breaks it down into tasks, and manages execution. The second is the cluster manager. This is a system that distributes resources between tasks. The third is executors. Executors are the workers. They are the ones who perform the calculations. To summarize, in this video we covered the basics: what Apache Spark is, what problem it solves, where it is used, what PySpark is. In the next video, we will create an account in Databricks, understand what Spark session is, and run our first Spark code. And finally, a small but very important homework assignment. I want you to not just watch this video, but to start thinking like a data engineer. Think about it and write in the comments. In what real-life situations might big data processing be needed? Not just a lot of data, but a specific example. Try to answer 3 questions. What kind of data is it? Why is there so much of it? Why can't one computer handle it? Write your example in the comments. Subscribe to the Magic Python channel and see you in the next video.